Good morning, everyone. Let me post it up about our live stream because I haven't done that yet. Good morning, Alan. Good morning, Melissa. Good morning, Keithan. Can you hear me now, Keithan? Hopefully, you guys can hear me. Says you should. Awesome, thank you. Alright, so as we are noticing, the market is dropping so far. Struggling, and most of my stocks are red, except Microsoft is barely green, but it's dropping according to the percentage over here. But things are red. How has everybody's week been? It's been since last week since we've live streamed, so a week and a half. Just gonna look at some stocks. Alright, we're just having some issue over here. It says searching at the bottom left, so it's not pulling up this chart. We gotta let this connect. How do I make money on the way down? Very easy. Just placing some shorts. Yeah, we place shorts and do it to make money there. Not sure why it's stuck on searching over here at the bottom left. We can see that the stocks are moving. It's not updating on the charts here. Good morning, Quentin. It was a good day yesterday, Alan. Yesterday was a good day because we expected the interest rate to go up, so we were expecting the drop, and so we had shorts in place. What we didn't expect is that after a drop, that it came and that it jumped up pretty nicely actually. So we got out of shorts and then let it climb all the way up, and then we placed new shorts as soon as it was done climbing, and then it dropped pretty heavily again. Alright, so it's struggling here. What I'm gonna do is let me change the screen settings over here. Um, Real quick, let me restart the program. I'm gonna go to the other scene that's gonna show that I'm going live. Um, don't leave, I'm still here, but it's just so that you guys don't see like the passwords and everything going in. So I will do that right now. So you can see that change. So bear with me. Just restarting the program real quick. It's loading. Okay. Let me change that screen now. Alright, that should be much better. It is showing as connected. Alright, here's HBAN. HBAN's done a big drop. So far, as you guys can see over here in the middle, I haven't placed any trades yet today. It's not been the best yet. Now, even in the pre-market, looks like AMD is dropping. It's at 73.13. It went to 73.11 as a low there. So we're gonna just keep an eye on that. Let's see, let's check out some other stocks too. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla right here, trying to climb a little bit, but it's struggling to go past that first indicator of the SMA. Alright, so let's see here. We have done a big update on the list. Keefan's been pretty good about that. For the drawing. If your name is still not on there, please reach out. We want to make sure that you're getting credit for it. Everyone who is public subscribers should all show again. Order is a bit different again, but should stay the same going forward. Awesome. Thank you, Keefan. And if you're not on there, please check your status for public. We want to make sure you're able to get credit for it and to be in the drawing. If you're having trouble with having it as public, please reach out to either Keefer or I, and we'll be happy to help you and get you on that list. So let me pull up this list right here. There are a total of 236 currently showing as public or that have reached out to us on this list. So you can see we will be doing a drawing from 236. Alright, AMD's in the 72s. This is the lowest that AMD has been. It is pretty low. That is lower than the whole crash. So if we go to daily right here, we'll see the last 100 days. You can see right here. Oh, so like right here actually went to 71.60. So it's almost there. It's $1 away from it right now. But then that it's hitting the very bottom of the crash. Good news, bad news. Good news is you see right here with the stochastic right here, that has dropped tremendously. So this is in the way oversold territory. So the good thing is it's going to need to do a rebound here soon. So what we're going to need to check when that happens is we want the stochastic to slowly go up. Not this big spike right like it did over here, where it only has like a big climb, 2 or 3 days, and then it drops again. We don't want that. We want it to slowly go up like this over here, where this one right here is a poor example because you here see a couple days go up with it and then drop. And then here's a really good example where it slowly climbs. So you have this slow climb right here, and then it has a little drop where it does right here, but then it stopped dropping over here, and then it wanted to continue again, and then we had this nice rise. This is a pure example of what we want to happen over here. With the stochastic being so low, there is a good chance for it, but we'll have to see. We need to see it cross indicators and move in the right direction. The bad news is we are in heavy negative territory with the MACD, the 0.0 lines over here, and the indicators are all the way down here with minus 4.0. So we are very big into the negative territory. Let's see if we can pull up the last 2 years. So we see this big drop right here. So let me see the last 3 years actually. Okay, so here we had a big drop on that. Okay, last 5 years. Okay, right here is when COVID was happening, the beginning of 2019. Or was it here? Can't remember when COVID hit. But we had a drop. I know. We can see Discover stock. Right here is COVID. So 2020. There you go. It's been so long since the COVID when it started. 2020 hit. We had this huge drop. You see Discover stock hitting down over here in negative territory, but then it rebounded pretty good. But that was a huge drop that it did. So yeah, we are hopefully taking a break from this crash here soon and letting it come back up. That would be nice. Let's pull up the 15-minute chart so you can see the second candlestick here. Okay. Just trying to rebound a little bit here. 1 minute. You see the little bit rebound here. It did go over the first SMA indicator, but not the second yet. So we're going to keep an eye on that. Okay, now it's dropping again. So while it's still early and it's still struggling and wanting to drop more, let's do the drawing now. Okay, there we go. So I have it randomly going. So 236. Remember, if you're not on here, please reach out to us so we can get you on here next week. We want to make sure that you're on it. If you're having trouble getting your account as public and for it to show on there, we want to make sure that it's showing on there. So please reach out to us. Okay, so 236. As you can see here for the settings, one random number between 1 and 236, which I'm actually going to put 0 here. So 0 and 236. That will do a random number. Remember that numbers did change, just like Kevin said. I'm going to move this to the other screen. There we go. Please check the website for your number with your name attached. Again, if you are not on there, please reach out to us. We want to make sure you're on there. But one person will be lucky today to get $1,000. We will do the drawing. You'll have 30 days to claim your victory prize. If you do not claim it within those 30 days, then you do lose the opportunity to claim it. So please make sure you're reaching out. We will not reach out to you if you win. That is your responsibility, because we want to make sure that you're, participating with, watching, which is the whole purpose of this drawing, is so that we can have you come in and see the drawing and get that viewership. So hit the like button, hit the subscriber button. Make sure your account is showing as public before you subscribe if you would like to be participating in future drawings for the $1,000. The way it works, I'm going to put this down to 0. So here it's 0. As an example, we're just going to do this one as an example. If you are today's winner, it's completely random. As you can see, 137, 143, 109. It is completely random. So I don't have control over which number picks, so there is no cheating on any sort of way on here. It is completely random. All right, so let's put this back down to 0. The next number that you'll see here is today's winner. I am getting some text messages from a couple people that their name is not on the list, and we will get jumping on that, and we'll reach out to you to make sure that you get put on the list as soon as possible. So thank you for reaching out for those who already have, because we want to make sure, like I said, that you are on here. So thank you. Let's get this drawing going. Yeah, so number 162. Congratulations, number 162. Please reach out to us. You have 30 days from today to claim that victory money. If you do not claim it within those 30 days, you do lose the opportunity to claim it. So please reach out to us, and congratulations, number 162. All right. Exited that. Looks like AMB's wanted to drop a little bit more. It's about to drop below 72. Okay. So we're just watching right now. O stock turned green. That's good. I love the stock O. Such a great stock. I really like O. Let me show you guys. Let me show you guys why I really like O. Give me 1 second here. Okay. So here, type in O. Dividend history. Here's O's dividend history. You go all the way down. 2005. They started their dividend payout at 11.5 cents. Then you'll scroll up, you'll see that during the 2008 and 2009, they didn't stop paying their dividend, even though that the housing market crashed really big. And this is a REIT company. So 2008, they were still raising their dividend. Here you see 0.136, here 0.137. So they're still raising their dividend. Let's say 2009, January, 0.141. So they still had raised it. And you can go all the way up. They never stopped paying their dividend. Here, this one right here. This is called a special dividend. So they were paying out $2.13 for a special dividend in 2021, November 15th. It's a very rare thing when a company does a special dividend, and that was their actual first one. So yeah, $2.13. So I love dividend uh, history right here. Now they're paying 0.2475, so almost 25 cents per share, which is awesome. I love O. So one thing, so what I like about them is, as you guys can see, this is August right here. This is July, June, May. So they pay out per month. So this is a per month payout. So for example, I'm going to show you guys an example of what I love to do. You take, and I'm not saying that you have to do this, okay? This is just something that I love for my personal long-term investing, the way that I look at it. So you take, let's say $1,000, you divide it by, and right here on the left side, we'll look at the stock price, 62.57. So 62.57. So you're looking at 15 shares, almost 16. So we'll just say 15 shares times 0.2475. Your payout is $3.71. So that is using $1,000. Now you pull up a second calculator. Let's look at, for example, Discover stock. This company pays out 60 cents per share. That's a pretty good amount. That is more than double of what O pays. Oh, they really raised it since last time that I checked it, because it was 30 cents from last time I checked it. But that's good. That's good that they raised it. So 60 cents. So now DFS stock price. So now you're looking at $95.97. So here we'll take $1,000 divided by 95.97. So you're able to buy 10 shares. So 10 times 0.60, because that's the dividend payout right here, 60 cents. So you get $6. $6 as a payout, which is more of a payout than O, because O is paying $3.71. Here's the difference. The left side is O, right side is Discover. So the O, what I like about that is this is monthly. So if I do that times 3, this is $11.13 in 1 quarter for using $1,000. So $11.13. Discover, as you can see over here, is August and May and February and then November. So it's every 3 months to make $6 of a payout. But if you can get $6 in a payout, and here is $11, I'm going to go with the $11 in the 3 months. Even though it may look like a lot less, I'm going to go with this route. That's me personally. I'm not saying that that's what you should do. That's just what I'm doing, is I'm looking for the higher payouts. And the money that I put in, let's say I put in $1,000, I pretend that that $1,000 is gone forever. What I'm trying to build at that point is my monthly income. So the $3.71, I'm trying to build that. I don't care about the money that I have put in. That's gone. So nice monthly income. So that's just an example of what I'm looking at for dividend stocks. All right, so I'm going to close this. We're going to look at the stock. What are the list of 10 stocks do you recommend? So it depends on what you're looking for, because I can't tell you what I recommend that you buy. I can tell you what I look, that my top 10 of the stocks that I look at. because I have to be very careful on that. But you're going to see them actually here on the left side. You're going to see Microsoft, Apple. Oh, I don't really like GE, so I'm going to delete GE. All right, so you got HBAN, you got the S&P 500, SPY, NVIDIA, Bank of America, Apple, Costco, Tesla, AMD, Amazon. So these are the companies that I look at constantly. I don't really look at too many others. All right, AMD is hitting in the 71s, so it's almost near the bottom. It's only about 30 cents away from hitting at the bottom of this whole crash. So we'll see what happens there. All right, let's see NVIDIA. NVIDIA is a 127. So here's the other thing that I look at. Like right now, pull up the last 100-day chart. Reason why I haven't placed any trades yet, and you just heard me talk just so far, is it is extremely dangerous to place new shorts when it's hitting near the very bottom of the crash, because I don't want that to rebound on me when I just place shorts and then I go negative on the shorts. So that is very dangerous to play shorts right here. So no shorting. Hitting the buy for here because it's at such a low price is still risky because it could drop. Yes, it is a nice price and cheap, but I'm waiting till the indicators start turning around and then I'm placing those buys. So right now I'm not buying and I'm not shorting. So as of right now, I'm not placing any trades this morning so far, but I'll keep an eye out and see when I think it's going to start turning around, especially with the 15-minute chart. Hopefully, Muasa, that answers a lot of your questions with these stocks right here. One thing that I like, Muasa, is Microsoft, Apple, both tech stocks, and they're very big companies. Then you got O. It's a good, nice REIT monthly company. HBAN. It's a good bank stock. S&P 500. So SPY. It's a good, uh, stock to be in for long term. Basically, I don't do SPY for short term often. They pay nice dividend payout, $1.59 every 3 months. But then you're like going off of the whole market under the S&P instead of just the stock version. NVIDIA stock, here's Bank of America, BAC, Apple. So this APLE, it's a good monthly dividend stock as well. Here's Apple, the big company, the FANG stock. Apple and Microsoft are both two of the big FANG stocks. Costco is a good uh, store company, retail. Tesla, car, AMD, tech, Amazon, tech. So I have a good little bit of a diversity of the investments that I place, of the stocks that I trade. I personally don't like just focusing on one sector. I have a couple sectors that I look at because if one is near the bottom of the crash and the others are not, then I'm looking to trade the others. Here, this right as of right now, they are all near towards the bottom, so I haven't placed any trades yet. Microsoft is green, which is very interesting. So here's Microsoft, but look, see how it's going through this indicator for right here, this red. So it's probably going to end up red. Yeah, it's probably going to end up red. They've had a major drop. Over here, they were 293. Here, they're 239. So they're good. almost $60 drop right there, and that is only since middle of last month is this big drop right here. So right now, be careful. It's taking a dive. The market is. So don't be surprised if you don't see a trade, no trading done today. Hopefully, I do get some trades in. But just to be safe, we're gonna keep an eye on it and play it by ear. But that is the end of the stream, guys. I'm gonna just keep watching it. Please reach out to me if you have any questions, or reach out to Kiefen. And if you're not on the list for drawing, please reach out and we will try to set up a time where we could talk with you, make sure that you're on the list, and make sure it's showing. Sometimes you're gonna see that you're not on the list, even though that you were in the past, and it was, but you had reached out to us to put you on the list. To do this kind of a drawing, we have to have you guys showing as public. So that's why we want to make sure we walk you through it, make sure that we're able to see it. So please reach out. I will talk to you guys all later. Just keep in mind that next week, Monday, I will do the drawing, Monday morning, and maybe get a trade in, but I'm supposed to be already gone next week, having that week off that I had posted. Let's see here, when did I post this? Give me a sec here. I posted this. Okay, right here. So on Facebook, September 26th through the 30th. During this time, I won't be reachable. On the 26th, I will be uh, doing the live drawing. So on Monday, because I don't want to miss that, because we are doing it late in the week this week. So Monday, I'll do another drawing. Maybe get a trade in, maybe not, but I'm supposed to be out of town at that point for that whole week. But we'll try to see what we can do. Maybe we'll get some trades in if I am able to during that week, but I can't guarantee that yet. But yeah, reach out to us if you have any questions, concerns. Hopefully, you all have a great rest of your day. Thank you for coming in to watch. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. Thank you.